Hey, welcome back. Captain Ron here on Tip of the Day. We're going to talk about changing the oil in your Rotax engine, and that can be quite a mess. What you have to do is remove this little plug. It has a little copper seal, and when you do that, all the oil just spills out. And it's in different Rotax engine installations. Some of the applications are hard to get to, hard to get a can in there or a funnel to try to drain all this messy oil. So, we discovered this little ball valve here, that this drain valve. You can buy that on Amazon, EZ107, it'll fit the Rotax engines, the oil canisters. 1.75 12 millimeter thread size. So, and you also, I recommend getting this little drain nozzle that fits on the bottom of this. It also has a little O-ring in there, so you don't have to put any kind of seal on it. But this screws into here like this, and then you can just slip a piece of plastic tubing on it when you're ready to drain the oil. And also, when you thread the ball valve into the canister, it also has a little seal there, a little O-ring seal. But it's best to, once you tighten it, don't get it too tight now, just snug it up. And you want to safety wire it, because your original plug comes with the provisions to safety wire this plug. And you want to do the same thing. Just wrap the safety wire around the basic housing of this ball valve. And there's a tab with a hole in it on the bottom of your oil canister that allow you to run that safety wire through and to safety wire the unit in. Now, the on-off mechanism on this is pretty cool. It's got a little recess, spring-loaded little recess that locks itself in the closed position. So you just move it out of that recess and in line with the tube, and it'll drain the oil for you. So you don't have to worry about this valve opening in flight. And when you close it, it snaps into place. So this takes care of the mess of hot oil being drained out of the canister. And by the way, this company sells, there's also here's a straight hose end that you can buy on Amazon. And they sell these drain valves for all types of engines. Your automobile engine, your Continental, 0200s, the Lycomings. But for the Rotax, this is the way to do it, and it works out real good. Thanks for listening. Fly safe.